Hello friends, this is Sandeep, and now I'm gonna show you that about the default browser settings. That means let's say that if you're clicking any of the hyperlink on any web page, or if you would like to trying to click any web page or web link by clicking on it, and it takes you directly to the browser that you don't want, such as that if you would like to open that web link in your Google Chrome browser, but if you click on it, it opens on your Mozilla Firefox. So you might have such conditions sometimes with you. This happens because your default browser settings are different on your Windows settings. That is why this happens. I'll show you a little example here. Let's say this is the web link that I'll try to access here, and if I click on it, it will take me on a Mozilla Firefox directly. So that means it's opening on the Mozilla Firefox, and Mozilla Firefox is the default browser for all the web links here, which is set up on your My Windows settings. So how you can change? If I click on any of the web link or hyperlink, it will directly open, or sorry, not in Mozilla Firefox, it opens on Google Chrome. So how you can do it, how we can do it, so I'm gonna tell you the process step by step. Here it's very small process and very easy.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.
So bring up your Google Chrome browser. Once you open the Google Chrome, from the right hand top corner, 3 dots, click on it. You will get a list of options. Go to the settings. From the settings, you will have certain option in the left hand panel. Click on default browser here. Click on it. Now here we have an option to make it default. So click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring up your Windows settings in front of you, where you can set your default apps. Now scroll down and locate browsers, web browser, and now you can see in this place the Firefox is my default browser. So I'll change it to the Google Chrome. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will have some options here. Options mean whatever browsers you have on your system. If you have more than 3-4 browsers, it will list all of them. So I have Microsoft Edge, I have Firefox, I have Chrome, Internet Explorer, and that's all. So I'll go with the Chrome at the moment. So I will select the Chrome, and the moment I'll select the Chrome, you will see here the icon is changed and it is set to Google Chrome. That's all. Close this one, and now we'll try the settings. If I go back to the link, you might have noticed that the icon is also changed here with this web link. So now if I click on it, it will bring up this URL on Google Chrome, not in Firefox as previously. So this is a Google Chrome. So this is how you can change your web browser settings and make it default to your desired one, whatever you want. I hope this video is fruitful to you. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.